In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Fireflies AI to Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, open your Slack workspace. Now, once you're in, navigate to the admin area. This is where you'll oversee and manage applications within your Slack environment. After you've entered the admin area, look for a section that says Apps and Workflows. It's usually prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have trouble finding it. Next, we need to bring the Fireflies AI application into your workspace. To do this, you'll want to search the Marketplace. Click on the Browse button to open the Slack App Marketplace. In the search bar there, simply type in fireflies.ai. You'll see a list of applications that match your search, and you want to find Fireflies AI. Click on it to access its details page. This page will give you all the information about the app, what it does, how it integrates, and more. After reviewing the app's details, it's time to add it to your workspace. Take a moment to look over the permissions and security information. This is important. You want to ensure that you understand what you're allowing the app to access. Once you're comfortable with that, look for the big button that says Add to Slack. If you're in a workspace that requires admin approval for app installations, make sure to request that permission from your admin at this step. Now that you've clicked the Add to Slack button, you'll be directed to Slack's authorization screen. This is where you need to confirm your workspace details and review the access scopes for Fireflies AI. Go through this information carefully. Understanding the access permissions is crucial for the security of your workspace. If everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, simply click the Allow button. Next, you'll be redirected to the Fireflies website to complete the setup. This part is straightforward. You'll want to click the Get Started button. If you already have an account with Fireflies, input your login credentials and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, you'll come across an option that lets you accept the integration. This step is vital as it allows Fireflies to send meeting notes and recaps directly into your Slack channels. Go ahead and accept that integration. And that's it. You've successfully linked Fireflies AI to your Slack workspace. Now, you're all set to enjoy the benefits of having your meeting notes automatically sent to Slack, making collaboration so much easier for your team. So to recap, we opened Slack, navigated to the App section, searched for Fireflies, added it, authorized the permissions, and completed the setup on Fireflies' website. How easy was that? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.